Hey friends, in this video we are going to see how to create SIP on a mutual fund via Paytm money. I will show you the way in which you can set SIP for the mutual fund. At the same time, I will let you know how to delete the preset SIP as well as to pause the SIP for some period of time. First and foremost, navigate to paytmmoney.com. Once you are on the home page, you will be able to see sign in button. Click on the sign in button and then enter your credentials to login. Once you are done with the login process, you need to navigate to mutual funds. In this page, it will show you the current value of your investment. If you scroll down, you will be able to see this icon. When you click on this one, it will list out all the mutual funds that you have invested via Paytm money. That is the portfolio details of your investment via Paytm money. As I mentioned earlier, first and foremost, I am going to show you how to set SIP for Mira Asset Tax Saver Fund. Click on the mutual fund. It will list out your transaction so far you have done on the mutual fund. If you clearly see that, it is going to list out the transactions that I have made so far. I have made two transactions, both of them are in lump sum mode. To create a new SIP transaction on this fund, scroll up, you will be able to see a button for investing more. Click on invest more. It will take you to this screen. This is where it will ask whether you want to set SIP or lump sum. Since we are going to set new SIP, I am clicking on SIP. After that, we have to select the investment amount. The minimum amount starts with 500. So you can start with minimum 500 and then you can set up to 5,000 or whatever amount you want. Once you have decided the investment amount, enter the investment amount. Post that, you have to select the day of investment. It will give you the suggestions based on the past performance, so you can select whatever date you are comfortable with. In this case, I'm going with date 10th of every month. It indicates that I'm going to create an SIP for the Mira Asset Tax Saver Fund for the investment amount of 1000 rupees on 10th day of every month. After entering all the details, I click on proceed. It will take us to this screen. This is where we have to complete the transaction. In the payment option screen, it will give you three options. You can either use auto pay in case you have set, else UPI or net banking. In this case, I'm going to complete the transaction with UPI. I click on UPI and then the bank associated with my Paytm money account. And then I click on proceed to payment. I'm just completing the payment. Once the payment is completed, you will be shown this successful message. It clearly says that it is going to take 2 to 3 business working days for the unit allocation. After the payment is made, you will be able to see the date of transaction and then transaction ID. You will be able to track the transaction status as well. Once the payment is completed, and you will be notified via mail stating that your SIP has been set on this particular mutual fund. You will be able to enable auto pay once the SIP is set successfully. So you do not need to worry about paying the money on time. Your auto pay will automatically taking care of enabling the amount transfer from your bank account to your mutual fund every month on the preset date. So far we have seen how to set SIP or create SIP for a mutual fund via Paytm money. Now we will discuss how to manage the preset SIP, which includes editing, deletion as well as pausing the SIP for some months. Once you have logged into Paytm Money mutual fund home page, you will be able to see this particular option on your left hand side. Click on manage SIP. It is going to list out all the upcoming SIPs which are scheduled for the next month. To manage the SIP, you need to click on SIP schedule and then click on the mutual fund in which you want to make the SIP changes. In this case, I'm going to click on Access Blue Chip Fund Direct Growth. When I click on this one, it is going to list out this option on the page. To delete this SIP, we can click on delete button. It is going to ask for confirmation in the next page. When you are done with the confirmation, it is going to delete the SIP which is already set. In case you think of pausing the SIP for 2 or 3 months, after that you want to restart, you can use this pause option. When you click on this pause option, it is going to give you an option to select for how many months you want to pause this SIP. You can select from 1 month to 5-6 months onwards. It is up to you to decide how much time you want to pause the SIP. Once you have selected the month in which you want to make a pause, you click on submit. It is going to show you this icon. It clearly indicates that the SAP transaction is in paused mode. When you want to enable this option again, you can just click on this one. This will button will enable the SAP on the mutual fund from the next month onwards. This is how we can easily create SAP and manage the SAP via Paytm money. I hope you would have liked this video. If you do, please subscribe for our channel Financial Techie for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.